Let's make Pipecleaner Jesus. You're gonna need tan, white, brown, and one black. Let's get started. Alright. First we're gonna start off with a cross. It's actually an X, but I wanted to make it biblical. We're gonna keep twisting them about 12 times until it looks like this. As per usual, make that little W, tie the legs into the body, make some little feet. Now we're gonna start with the arms. Make the shoulders and put the arms like this and tie it into the body. Now you're gonna make a circle with a new piece. Make sure there's a pointy end at the end of the circle. Fold a piece of brown like this, and then you're gonna wrap the brown like this. Take the brown and wrap it around the circle, but only halfway so it looks like this. Cut the piece of brown off and then wrap the rest of the tan around. So it should look something like this. With the other brown, make an oblong circle like this. Fill it in, wrap it onto the back of the head, and attach the neck to the body. Here's the fun part. Now take some white and wrap it on each limb until he's fully clothed. Until he looks like this. Next, we're gonna make sandals by doing this, and you press it against the foot like this. You wrap and cut it off at the end. Now he got them fresh kicks on. Then take one more piece of white, wrap it around the waist, and then go all the way down till it's slanted. So he has his little tunic on. Now let's add a little bit of pizzazz. If you want to make pipe cleaners just like me, click the link in the bio for the TikTok shop so you can get your very own pipe cleaners. I love you guys. Have a great day.
Jesus loves you.